Tyler with Liberty Machine Works. Today we are working on this Doosan Puma 400. Standard operation here. We're going to run a little program, show you the axis is moved, the spindle run, just the normal move of things. This machine has a massive through hole. It's over 7 inches right now without a drawbar in it. It's 6.5 once it's got the hydraulic chuck on it. It can be run with a manual or a hydraulic. It's got live tool. It's a pretty cool little machine. Well, it's not little. So I will run this thing through just the standard spindle run up. It'll run a 500 RPM, 1000 run RPM, and then I'll have it run through the manual. You won't, or the live tool. You won't be able to see the tools run because it doesn't have a live tool holder in it. That's 500 RPM. There's 1000. And that live tool is running right now, and you can't see it. There's it activating the C. And homing. Clean machine, real quiet. I don't know much more I can tell you about it, other than it's right here at Liberty Machine Works. And as always, thanks for watching.